Stop getting your binding tails twisted. Leave 2 long tails, sewing your binding most of the way around your quilt. Use a scrap of binding opened up to help you mark exactly the correct math. Open the top binding. Fold it over your finger to the right at a 45-degree angle. The top fabric will be facing up. Open the bottom binding and place it directly on top. The quilt needs to be folded and pinned to release the pressure that it places on the binding when you're trying to sew it, which makes it very difficult. Now get your pieces lined up and do that again. Open up the top binding, fold it over your finger to the right. Open the bottom binding, lift it straight up, right sides together, and pin it. Once it's pinned, you can then mark with a marking utensil and draw a 45-degree line from top corner to bottom corner. This line will be parallel with the edge of the quilt, always working from top to bottom. Sew that, trim off the dog ear, snap it open, and then stitch the opening in your binding closed. You are all done and ready for hand sewing.